Hi, I'm Jake with Bears Home Solutions, and today we're going to talk about preventative end-of-season maintenance. Now, as we all know, everything likes to break down on us when we have friends or family over, and it's 10 o'clock at night on a Saturday, and bills get expensive during those times. But with end-of-season preventative maintenance, we can avoid situations like those. We can avoid high bills, we can avoid expensive dispatch fees, and we can avoid taking time away from your family and friends. The importance of the maintenance is for us to clean the system up, make it running as best as it possibly can, and to find the things, if they present themselves, that are on their way out the door, so that we can come in one day and solve the issue before it becomes a bigger issue down the road. One of the main things, obviously in the heating season, systems like to break when it's very cold out. Preventative maintenance can help us avoid those types of issues. I'm Jake with Bears Home Solutions, expressing the importance of preventative maintenance, and we hope to see you soon.